Want to know how to change your avatar in Paladins? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's go straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Paladin app. So we have also created a video on how to install and open up Paladin, so make sure to watch. So once you have done all of that, you should be provided with this screen right here. So changing your avatar is pretty simple. Make sure you have more avatars available. So in order to get more avatars, you need to play more levels. So in this interface, on the bottom right side, you should be seeing your username with your level. On the leftmost side, you should be seeing your default avatar. Just simply select it. So once you have selected your avatar here, you should be seeing on the profile accessories, you should be seeing avatars. So you can just simply select get more if you have more. So if you have avatars by default, you can just simply select any one of these and it should be selected by default. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.